Hey you guys, welcome back to another video with your favorite auntie. Okay y'all, so this is a continuation of yesterday's video. And I hope you remember where we left off at, because I think we were staging this table as well as finishing up our little storage cabinet. Okay, so I took the doors off so that I can clean the hinges because they had paint all over them and they just looked horrible. So it's just a matter of taking the doors off, and let me show you what I've decided to do is paint them gold with, let's see, this one. I feel like it's more in here, but anyway, these are the doors right here. I'm not gonna worry about this because the hinges literally covers all of that. So let me show you the hinges, and I just cleaned them with soap and water and a wire brush. So that's them, but I'm gonna spray paint them gold because you can actually see the outer edge from the outside. So I think that'll be a cute little accent to go with the handles. Okay, so since the last video, we got some touch-ups to do, and that is just from minor last-minute repairs, right? As I removed the doors to clean up the hinges, which looked a mess because I painted over them. And in the process of taking those doors off, I realized that I needed to fix some areas around the pools, and so I'm doing that as well. Before I, okay, plane, just come on over. It's okay. We ain't doing up a recording. Look at him. Where y'all going anyway? Where you going? To the airport? Okay. Mind your business. All right. So anyway, I'm gonna touch this up and, you know, clean it up real good. And then over here is our hinges, and they are dry. They look so much better. Look at that. Nice and clean. We can go ahead and put these back on and fix up the rest of this, and then I can stage and list. But see how good that'll look? Don't skip. Don't skip. to Google and enter the image of the original piece, and ended up finding that this piece and similar pieces was worth quite a bit of money during its time, and still does hold somewhat of some value. So very interesting. So let me know a comment down below and let me know what you guys would charge to resell this. I had no idea that the Baker line was a thing. So enter your pictures on Google if you're ever curious about what something is worth or selling for.
Small city thinking, I get why you left. Small-minded people sure know how to drink. I came to the party, I laughed at the jokes she made. I wish that I hadn't, 'cause now the joke's on me. I didn't come here just so I could watch you make a mess. I didn't come here to ugly cry in my favorite dress. So what the hell were you thinking then when you kissed your lips? Now I'm kinda glad you did, 'cause now you
So this is the piece we're gonna be working on today. It's a little cute little nightstand. And I already know I'm gonna give it to my grandson. So I'm not gonna do a whole lot to it other than just paint it. See what's under here? I feel like it's real wood. I'm gonna leave the top natural, paint the sides, change the hardware, and it's just gonna be that simple. One of the easiest flips to do is a little nightstand or a little table.
Daydream with me, let your mind explore. All the things we were created for. Possibilities, an open door that keeps us reaching out for more. Sure that I'm not sure, I know when I don't know it, so I listen for my inner voice. Carry the winds, drown out the rain, but will it make sense without the pain? Won't color me blue, then tickle me pink. Who knew that at the brink of the end, life could begin? sinking under all the cost. Sure that I'm not sure. I know when I don't know it, so I listen for that inner voice. It carries the wind, drowns out the rain. But will it make sense without the pain? Will color me blue, tickle me pink. Who knew that at the brink of the end, life could begin? I know there's so much trauma, but try search inside my love. Carried the winds, drummed out the rain. It'll make sense after the pain. Will color me blue, then tickle me pink. 'Cause who knew that at the brink of the end, life would begin again. Stepping out, it's Friday night. How I'm longing for this day. Yes, I'm single, oh, we won't do mingle. And my friends are on the way. You got that good, good vibe. I want to spend some time back here with you. Oh, whoa. I got that good old times. You want to spend some time back here with me. Oh, whoa. And time after time, I am wondering who is she to me. I'm gonna tell you right now.